bathroom is more than just fixtures. It's a machine for living. The first rule of a professional layout is the separation of wet and dry zones. By keeping the shower area contained, we prevent moisture from damaging the vanity and mirrors. We start by mapping the drainage slope, because in a bathroom, gravity is your most important teammate. Space is tight, so clearance is king. We maintain at least 15 to 18 inches from the center of the water closet to any side wall for comfort. Then there's the door swing. Nothing ruins a premium bathroom like a door hitting the toilet or the sink. We calculate the arc of the door to ensure a smooth entry, or we pivot to a sliding door to save every square inch. Next is the vanity hub. We set the counter height at a standard 34 inches for ergonomics. But it's not just about the sink. It's about the task lighting. We place electrical points for side-lit mirrors to eliminate shadows on the face. Precision here turns a utility space into a luxury experience. At Team Bhargo, we hide the plumbing inside the walls for a clean, floating look. The shower is the high-traffic wet zone. We ensure a minimum 1% slope toward the drain to prevent stagnant water. If we're using a glass partition, the floor level must be perfect to avoid leaks. This technical detailing is what prevents mold and slip hazards. It's the difference between a bathroom that looks good and one that functions perfectly for decades, compact, functional, and beautiful. That is the Bhargo standard for bathroom layouting. Don't let small spaces limit your vision. Engineer them for excellence. This is Team Bhargo. Subscribe for more site secrets and architectural walkthroughs.